Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing both devices. Turn the F-Pace ignition to accessory or run so the infotainment powers up, because pairing needs the system active. On your phone, open Bluetooth and make it discoverable. This invites the car to find it. Once done, press Menu on the Jaguar, navigate to Settings, then Connectivity and Bluetooth. This is where the car will scan. Doing the steps in this order prevents timeouts and mismatched states that commonly block pairing. You now proceed to the car's Add Device flow. Tap Add Device and let the system scan. When your phone's name appears, select it on the F-Pace screen. This initiates a handshake. Next, confirm the PIN or code shown on both the car and phone, because matching codes prevent accidental connections to other devices. After you accept on both ends, the systems exchange profiles for calls and media. Make sure your phone allows contacts and audio access so everything works smoothly. Finish by making your phone the primary device in the Jaguar Bluetooth menu if you want automatic reconnection. This saves you taps later. Test by placing a call and playing music to confirm both hands-free and media profiles are active. If pairing fails, reboot the phone, toggle Bluetooth, or delete the device entry on both sides and repeat. These steps clear cached profiles. One key tip: ensure no other paired device is actively connected, because the car will not switch if another phone holds the connection.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.